Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got the brand new Bose Home Speaker 300 here to unbox for you. We're also going to give you a first listen in this video and just show you what comes with it, talk about some of the features. So first things first, it comes in two different colors. We've got the whitish, silverish kind of looking one here, and it also comes in a black finish as well, so depending on what your home decor looks like, you may choose one over the other. So to get started, we're going to pull this tab on the side, and on the other side, Bose always does a nice job with their packaging. And we lift up the top, nothing in there. It is a nice solid box though, so it should keep that safe while it's in transit. And at the bottom, we have some paperwork, which simple light reading material. And then underneath that, we have the power cord, which looks to be just a standard plug, not USB or anything like that. And that's everything that comes with it. And now we'll take a quick look at the speaker here. It's basically the little brother of the HS 500 or the Home Speaker 500. And as you can see here, it is quite a bit smaller. It is a nice looking speaker though. It's just a little different from the HS 500. It doesn't have the display screen on the front, but you do get all the same kind of buttons on the top. So you have your microphone button, you have the microphone mute button, you've got your Amazon button on the top here, volume up and down, play, pause, 6 presets for internet radio stations, you've got a Bluetooth connect button and your auxiliary button, and it looks like we've got a 3.5mm on the back and a USB on the bottom. I'm not sure what you'd use the micro USB for. We'll have to do a little more research into that, but the power cord is not USB. Otherwise, it's a nice looking speaker on the outside. We're gonna take a listen to it as well and kind of see how good it sounds. The 500 sounded great, so I have high hopes for this one. Probably not gonna get quite as much bass, but we'll find out here in just a second. So this thing sounds really incredible. It sounds way bigger than it actually is. If you're looking for a small speaker, the Home Speaker 300 is definitely going to be one you're going to want to consider. It does work along with the other Bose Music app associated speakers, so like that Home Speaker 500, some of the newer soundbars, the 500, the 700. So it's got a bunch of companion speakers that it'll work along with. It, like I said, sounds phenomenal. It looks really good. It's just a really understated kind of design. It's small, just kind of oval looking. It's got a bunch of nice features built in with those presets on the top. You can use it with Bluetooth if you don't want to hook it up to your home network, but if you do, it's obviously got Wi-Fi built in as well. So again, if you're looking for a great small speaker, you're gonna want to check this one out. Thanks as always for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you get updates whenever we post new content, and we'll see you in the next one.